Did you know that you can use Google to make money? Money that comes in 24/7 whether you're working or not? Well, hey, it's Leah Ray from TaughtonLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to give you a full tutorial of exactly what to do so that you can start using Google to make money so that you can have income coming in 24/7. So the first website that we're going to go to is called Keywords Everywhere, and that's just to download a Chrome extension that's going to help give you some information that you're going to need to do this. Just simply keywordseverywhere.com, or you can Google it and it'll be one of the first ones that come up. Here you can install for Chrome or Firefox, whichever one that you use. So just click the button and install these extensions because they're going to give us some very helpful information. Now that we have our investigative tool, let's head over to Clickbank and decide on what offer we want to use. Clickbank.com is where you can pick up affiliate offers. You can sign up for free. There's no cost to it. And once you have an account, you're logged in, you're going to want to go to the Marketplace tab. And here are all the different topics that they provide offers on that you can use and make money with. I'm on a ketogenic diet. I love it, and so it's really easy for me to talk about. So let's use that one as an example. If we head over to health and fitness, this is going to give us all of the offers that they have that you can promote and make money as an affiliate. There's a lot of great information on here. Let's slim this down by just simply looking at something that is keto. So I typed in keto, it's going to come up with all kinds of stuff. Right now it's sorting results by keyword relevance. What I actually want to search by is gravity. And gravity on Clickbank is just telling you basically how well something converts. When someone lands on a sales page, how many of them actually make a purchase. The higher the gravity score, the more people actually make purchases when they land on that page. So you want to choose offers here that have the highest gravity score that you can find. So if you look at the top one, 151 for gravity score, that's really high. You look further down, it's much, much lower than that for these other ones. So this looks like a great offer to work with. To actually look at the sales page itself, just click on this link here and you can read about the offer, see what it's about. It has some great copywriting, looks like a great offer to make, and see that they can make the purchase here for $37. So this is the sales page. We're going to come back to this in a little bit, so I'm going to leave this tab up. But back here over in Clickbank, you can see that you're going to make on average $24.10 for every $37 sale that you make. Now, if this is the offer that you want to select, you're going to go ahead and click the promote button that pops up this screen here. Click generate hop links, and this is the link that you're going to use in your marketing. So here we go. It takes us to that exact same sales page, but this time it's actually cookied to you and you would earn the commissions on this offer when you're using this specific link. So this is the link that you're going to use. Now, there's two ways you can go from here. One is the best way, and that is using either something like My Lead System Pro or ClickFunnels and creating a capture page so you can generate leads. You're going to use some of the verbiage on this sales page, read through it, take some bullet points, put it into a capture page using your customizable capture page software from ClickFunnels or My Lead System Pro. Have them opt in to the page so that you can start building an email list that you can do a follow-up series to, but you could also put other ketogenic fitness health types of offers in front of them later down the road as well. That's the best way to do it. Once they opt into that capture page that you create, then the second page would be this page right here. You would direct them to your cookied page. And whenever they make a purchase, you get paid. Now, the second best way to do that is just to use the link directly that they provide to you. You would not be generating leads, so I don't suggest doing this, but you can still make money from it. You just aren't building an email list at the same time. Now let's head back over to Google, and we're just going to type in keto. And because we have Keywords Everywhere installed, this information here is coming from Keywords Everywhere. So it's telling us that there's 450,000 searches for keto per month. Also, when I scroll down, it's going to give me additional related keywords that we can use. Keto diet for beginners, keto diet for review. There's all sorts of things here and some great information on the volume that they get and how competitive it is. The higher the number, the more competitive. Now, another great tool that you can use to do this very same thing, but get a little more information that's going to be helpful for you, is called Uber Suggest. If you just type in Uber Suggest, it's the first thing that comes up here. It's actually neilpatel.com/Uber Suggest, but I find it easier just to let Google do that for me. Now here, you can type in a keyword. I'm going to hit search. So this is the overview first that's going to come up for us. Search volume is high. SEO difficulty, so search engine optimization. So that's telling us how hard it's going to be to get this to rank at the top of the list within Google. So this isn't an easy one to work with. If you want to run ads, it's also going to be challenging, but it's going to give us some more ideas. If you click over here to keyword ideas, look at all these additional things that might work better for us. So this is really helpful. This final column over here is really important. If you click over hover, right here, it's going to tell us basically how hard it's going to be. The higher the number that they give you here, the harder it's going to be to show up, how to rank in Google. Keto diet, this looks like a great one. Over 2 million searches per month. It has a much easier score for ranking. So this might be a really great one. Now, when I click on this over here, that little arrow, this is really the best part of Uber Suggest. This is telling us what are the top websites that are ranking for that specific keyword. Now, why do you care about this? Because you can look at these websites and see what's going on. So this top #1 website gets a ton of traffic, a lot of social shares. This is a great website, and it goes all the way down the list. So what you can use this for is you can grab these URLs and go look at what they're doing. And here you get ideas for creating content. You can see what great information they're providing. You can be inspired, if you will, with what they're doing and do your own version of it. So this is a full beginner's guide for keto. It's got all kinds of information, different ways you can do keto, what are the benefits of it, foods to avoid. This would actually be some great information that you could actually put into a lead magnet. So when people opt into that capture page, you could give them as a bonus a list of the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The top 10 things that you need to avoid when starting a ketogenic diet. So you could put this into a nice PDF that you give them as a download as a free gift for opting into your capture page. You can create your own blog post with similar information, or you can create a video. We prefer video today. I think it has a lot more opportunity for people, for ranking, and just for building an audience. YouTube is a great place to be. So you can take this information and create some videos or create some blog posts on it. And you have all of these other websites that can inspire you as well. You can also head over to YouTube. And on YouTube, you can search keto diet. You're going to see more search volume information. Again, this is from Keywords Everywhere. And what you want to look at here are videos that have a lot of views and not so many subscribers. So this guy has, Dr. Oz obviously has a ton of subscribers, and this one has a ton of views. So you can definitely take a look at this, but it's not going to be as helpful to you as finding a channel that doesn't have a ton of views. Like look at this one, Keto Cooking, Keto Food List. She has less than 70,000 subscribers, but this video has almost 500,000 views. So this is a great, great video to look at. So I would watch this video, be inspired by it, do your own version of it. And if you have tools like TubeBuddy and different things, you can look at the tags and the different things that they've done for this video and also use those in your video as well. By creating these videos, by creating blog posts that use the keywords that people are searching Google for, you're going to use the traffic that Google provides to get people in front of these offers that you can promote through things like Clickbank. And it is a great way to make money because people do that 24/7. You could be at the beach, you can be sleeping. People are finding your content, finding your information, and then you provide links in the description or within that blog post itself, directing people to check out whatever your offer is. Now, to learn more about how to build a successful business online, we're going to give you access to our training. This is the top link in the description, folks. Go ahead and click this link and you can get our training, how to create a highly automated online business. And it's a step-by-step video for you. So grab your access to that right now after this video. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, you're going to have to subscribe so that we can help you do that. Then make sure to say hi in the comments so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. Head over to the next video in the top right corner of the screen, and I'll see you soon.